We are doing one more boat day, 24-hour turnaround. It's Saturday, October 7th, and 2 weeks from now, we're gonna be in Glamis. Any of you guys going the weekend before Camp Razor, because we wanna avoid that circus. We're gonna be there the weekend before Camp Razor, Thursday through Sunday. Got a big group going, but today we are taking the boat out one last time before we park it for winter. Had to get one more good river trip in, so 24 hours out and back. We're going to Mayflower County Park Campground, which we've never been to. South side of the dam, north side of the 10 freeway in Blythe. Hopefully it's gonna be bitchin'. We got 101 degrees as a high today, nice sunny, no clouds in the sky, no freaking rain in the forecast. We're gonna get out there and get it. So let's get to this campground, see what it's all about. We're all loaded up here in Mayflower County Park. And you know, it's a little campground. It's not bad. Actually, half of it's closed. We got a big group of people over here like singing songs on a karaoke machine or something like that. I don't know, I think he was giving a talk. But we're all fueled up, boat's ready to go. We're gonna get her launched right now. Get on this water. We're here, we're doing it. Man, I'm not at all obviously familiar with the river down here, so it's like you can see there's some shallow sections. That's what I was pointing at. The shallow sections where shit was actually sticking out of the water. Yeah. So it's really hard to tell. I mean, right here it looks deep, actually. But yeah, just trying to get like a little lay for which side of the river to be on. Dude's parched, apparently. We did bring him water. Yeah. But water moves a lot faster down here too. Yeah. It is. I noticed that one. I mean, it is sailing compared to because obviously the dam's letting the water out right up here, right above us. But beautiful day. Actually ended up being nice and hot, and you can go here, swim here pretty soon. Yeah. But yeah, let's enjoy this. I may have sucked up a little rock. Kind of heard it ping pong in there for a second, or whatever you call it, and I shut it off, so hopefully just spit it right back out. A little bit of a rocky sandbar, but cool, it's big. We literally boated for about 4 minutes. We found a spot to hang out. Dog's happier now. Perfect temperature last weekend to be out doing this. I'm sure actually the majority of October would be pretty good, but cheers. Mountains are blue. Haley's first time fishing. I got her little telescopic pole. She got her fishing license on the way out here on the drive. What are you gonna catch?
Fish. Bass. Just kidding.
All right, let's get you set up.
Oh, it's bass.
All right. You got one on.
That's a good size.
That's a good fish, baby. All right, so go ahead and keep them coming towards you. All right, hold this rod with the other hand.
Yep.
So what you do is you get your finger in his mouth.
Okay.
That's a beautiful smallmouth. Honey.
Oh, not the tail, buddy.
Nice fish, babe.
Thank you, honey.
Good job.
A few minutes later.
It took all damn day. And this dude finally just said, all right, I'm taking a nap. I'm exhausted. We've got the sun going down behind us. Got an hour of sunlight left or so. Sad. Talking about how we're going to be parking the boat until, what, probably May of next year.
Yeah.
First trip happens. But beautiful day. Beautiful weather. It was nice. Water still feels great. I might have to do one more swim before I call it. Have to. Thinking it's going to be months and months before we get to do it again. But floating back down to camp, and then we're going to pull out and go get our little camp spot set up with the little peoples in there. And have sandwiches for dinner. So enjoying this last little bit. Say goodbye to the river, honey. Okay, maybe later, bud. Well, there you have it. We're not much campsite type folks, and still not campsite type folks, but the damn mosquitoes are out like crazy. We're getting eaten alive. So I can finally have a drink. We're gonna sit down, relax, enjoy what's left of this little sunset that's about to happen. Well guys, the mosquitoes are absolutely savage. Horrible here.
Garrett finally realizes what I go through every camping
I
trip.
usually do not get bit by mosquitoes, but they're horrific. Just biting through clothes the whole shot. Terrible. Got off all over each other. But we're gonna call it a night. We ain't got nothing fancy for dinner tonight. We brought sandwiches. Doing sandwiches tonight. We got this fire going to help get the skeeters away. Plenty of vodka. Dog is
out.
Dead. He's got his little glow in the dark collar on, and everybody behind us is partying hardy. So we're just gonna hang out and enjoy this evening. Once the skeeters are completely gone, which we're about almost to that point, we're gonna make our sandwiches. We're gonna go to bed, and we're gonna sign off on this night. But it's been fun. See y'all in the morning. Bye.
The next morning.
We are up. We are at 'em. We are on our way home. It was a cool campground. I mean, I don't think I'd ever have to go back, but as far as just doing a day trip and hitting the river, it's perfect. I'd check it out. We're just not campground people, if that makes sense, but otherwise there's nothing wrong with it. We got the boat cleaned up as the mariachi music kicked off and got everything picked up, put away. We're headed back to the house. So we're gonna be in Glamis in 2 weeks. That was a great last river trip. Got a good 5.5 hours on the water yesterday, and that's really what we needed before we parked this boat for winter. But thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the mass amount of Glamis footage about to drop on you, because it's gonna be a good season. We'll be there the weekend again before Halloween. If you guys are out there, we'll be there a good solid 4 days. You'll see us, we'll see you, say hi. Let's do it. All right then.